Hi, Room 6. We're going to do a read aloud together. The book we're going to be looking at is called The Moon, and it's written by Melanie Christmer. And just from looking at the cover here, I'm thinking that this book is probably nonfiction or informational text because I see that it looks like a photograph, which makes me think that. Let's go ahead and jump in. Oh, there's also a table of contents. Many informational texts also have tables of contents. Let's see what this book is all about. Oh, here we have some important words for us to know. Astronauts, footprint, orbit, satellite, solar system, spacecraft, and spacesuit. The moon. Can you jump on the moon? Yes, if you can get there. The moon is far away. It would take 3 days to get there from Earth. The moon is about 238,855 miles away from Earth. The moon is an object that circles around Earth. The path it takes is called its orbit. The moon is not a planet. It is a satellite. Earth and the other planets in the solar system go around the sun. The moon takes 28 days to travel around Earth. So last week, you guys, we were talking about how the Earth and other planets move around the sun. And so now we're talking about how the moon is moving around Earth while Earth is moving around the sun. Everyone can see the moon from Earth, but only 12 people have walked or jumped on the moon. It's not a lot. You can only go to the moon by flying in a spacecraft. In 1969, NASA sent 3 astronauts to the moon. They went in a spacecraft called Apollo 11. Mike Collins flew the craft. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin got to walk on the moon. Here we have Neil Armstrong, Mike Collins, and Buzz Aldrin. Neil Armstrong was the first human to step foot on the moon. He made the first footprint. His footprint will be there for more than 1 million years. There is no wind on the moon to blow it away. The moon has no air. An astronaut must wear a spacesuit. The moon is very cold in the shade and very hot in the sunlight. A spacesuit keeps you just right to jump on the moon. Here's his backpack, and the backpack has air in it so that the astronaut can breathe. You don't need a spacesuit to jump on Earth. You can have fun jumping on the moon if you go to a space camp. Look at him jump. He's at a space camp. Moon phases. When the moon travels around Earth, the part we see changes shape. We call each change a phase. Here we have waning, and then here we have waxing. Next month, look at the moon every night. And this is what you can be doing in that moon log. If you are seeing less of it as each night passes, the moon is waning. If you are seeing more of it as each night passes, the moon is waxing. And then here we have some of our new words, and these are some special facts. Thanks for reading that book with me.